Imagine crossing America in a luxury home that doesn't stay parked. It travels with you. This is the PRISM ELITE eRV, a futuristic electric luxury motorhome featuring a massive 6-wheel configuration, panoramic glass, premium interiors, and a design that looks straight out of the future. Today, let's explore this incredible machine from every angle. Starting at the front, the PRISM ELITE immediately stands apart from traditional RVs. Its massive panoramic windshield, sharp LED headlights, sculpted front fascia, and smooth aerodynamic body give it a futuristic appearance. The front design isn't just about size, it's about creating a premium, high-tech identity. From the front three-quarter angle, you can see the incredible proportions of this motorhome. The curved windshield flows naturally into the side windows, while the long aerodynamic body creates the appearance of a luxury coach. And those massive wheels give the PRISM ELITE a powerful road presence. Now look at the full side profile. The PRISM ELITE features huge panoramic windows, elegant blue and white graphics, smooth body lines, and an illuminated entry door. The long body provides plenty of space for a luxury living environment while keeping the exterior sleek and modern. It looks less like a traditional RV and more like a luxury hotel designed to travel. Inside, the main lounge is designed around comfort and space. Premium seating, warm ambient lighting, large panoramic windows, and modern surfaces create a relaxing atmosphere. Imagine sitting here while traveling through the American Southwest, watching the landscape change outside without ever leaving your luxury lounge. Moving forward, the cockpit feels like a futuristic command center. The driver gets a huge panoramic view through the windshield, premium seating, and a modern digital driving environment. The elevated driving position also gives the driver a commanding view of the road ahead. Behind the lounge is a modern kitchen designed for life on the road. The sleek cabinetry, practical storage, and clean contemporary design make it possible to prepare meals without sacrificing the luxury atmosphere. Breakfast in the mountains or dinner beside the ocean. Your kitchen travels with you. Now let's step into the private bedroom. The sleeping area is designed to feel peaceful and luxurious, with a premium bed, elegant lighting, and a comfortable atmosphere. After a long day of driving, there's no hotel check-in required. Your private bedroom is already waiting for you. The bathroom continues the same modern luxury theme. A clean layout, premium-looking surfaces, integrated lighting, and practical storage create a private space designed for comfortable travel. Now let's get a closer look at the wheels. The PRISM ELITE uses a massive 6-wheel configuration that gives this motorhome a strong, balanced appearance. The polished wheels add a premium touch, while the large tires visually support the enormous body. Moving toward the rear, the aerodynamic body continues with smooth surfaces and large windows. From this angle, the enormous length and 6-wheel stance become even more obvious. It has the presence of a luxury coach, but the personality of a futuristic machine. From directly behind, the PRISM ELITE looks wide, solid, and incredibly modern. The clean rear design completes the futuristic shape and gives the motorhome a premium appearance from every direction. From above, you can see the enormous footprint of the vehicle. The streamlined roof follows the aerodynamic design language while providing space for the technology and equipment needed for a modern luxury RV. So if you had the keys to this futuristic PRISM ELITE eRV, where would you take it first? California, Las Vegas, Texas, Colorado, or a complete cross-country American adventure? Tell us your destination in the comments. And if you love futuristic motorhomes, luxury RVs, and next-generation electric vehicles, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Because the future of luxury travel is just getting started.